Hey guys, Shivido here. So are you tired of listening to music on an average speaker? So JBL brings you JBL wireless portable stereo speaker with inbuilt Bluetooth technology. So let's unbox and see what does we have. I had halfly unboxed the upper cover. So let's unbox the remaining thing. I had purchased it from Amazon for 4,789 bucks. So this is the JBL Flip 2 speakers, as you can see, the main box. As we turn around, there are some instructions and features are given about this JBL Flip 2 speaker, and it has a latest Bluetooth technology. It is compatible with your smartphones, laptops and tablets. You can connect it with Bluetooth and play the music. So let's unbox and see what does we get in this box. Yep, this is all we get in this box, the case and the JBL speakers. Let's see this JBL speakers with this case. Let's open it and see. This is the JBL speaker bag, in which you can keep your speaker and use it for portability and carry it safely on the drives and all. You can, like, it will be safe in your backpack also. So this is the cool JBL speakers bag. So let's open it and see what does we have inside this. Here is the instruction manual given to use the speaker accordingly in a precise way. And we have a cable, we have a USB cable to charge it. It's a rechargeable speaker and it works till 5 hours after charging it fully. We have adapter and charger with it. That's it we have in this case. Let's come to the main speaker. As you can see, the JBL speaker, it is nicely packed. Let's open it and see. I'm bad at unboxing. So wow, this is the JBL Flip 2 speaker, as you can see, with a nice build. So this is black in color, cylindrical in shape. And talking about its technical features, as you can see, it has an NFC support. It has 100 to 20,000 Hertz frequency range. It has a high technology microphone system with 2000 mAh Li-ion polymer rechargeable battery, and with aux-in amplifier 2 into 6 watts. The voltage capacity of this speaker is 3.7 volts with 86 decibel in signal to noise ratio, one speaker output channel, one USB port, and also it supports the Bluetooth technology. As you can see, it is quite handy and comes in your hand very properly. What else we have? You can see the 3 buttons over here: the Bluetooth button, the power button, and the call, like you can attend call by pressing this button. You have micro USB, and you have jack to connect and connect the speaker with other speakers to create a chain and have an awesome experience. That's it we have to show. Now let's switch it on and see. Yep, with this sound it gets switched on. The Bluetooth is coming in a pairing mode. I'll switch on the Bluetooth. We'll search for the device. Yep, here's the JBL Flip 2. We are pairing it. Yep, it got paired. So this is how the JBL Flip 2 speaker get connected. Let's have some sound check. Let's switch to another song and see the experience. It's like awesome to hear the sound and music from this Bluetooth speaker. As you can see the tagline, hear the truth. It's having a crystal clear sound with awesome bass. Let's play the another music. And increase the volume. So according to the quality and the price range, it is an awesome speaker for the music lovers like me, and I'm quite impressed with these speakers and the sound quality we get through this. It's like a bang on experience to listen music from this speaker. So this was the quick unboxing and small review about this JBL Flip 2 Bluetooth speakers and sound testing. Hope you like the video. Give it the thumbs up and leave your comments down below. I would like to have your opinions regarding my videos. For more such awesome videos, subscribe to my channel. So bye bye, take care, have a nice day.